Om Shanti. Today's Murli, 19 July 2021. Essence. Sweet children, become detached from your bodies while alive. Become bodiless and remember the Father. This is known as dead silence. Question. On what basis do you children make your foundation strong? Answer. On the basis of purity, the purer you souls become. That is, the more you become real gold, the stronger you become. Baba is now laying such a strong foundation of self-sovereignty that no one can shake. That foundation for half the cycle. No one can snatch away your kingdom. Song. Salutations to Shiva. Murli's important points. The soul asks the unlimited Father for self-sovereignty. At this time, Sri Krishna had self-sovereignty and then he lost it. The Father has come and is giving you children the kingdom. This is called Rajyog. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul teaches you Rajyog. Because human beings are body conscious. They say, I am so and so. Each one considers the body to be I, the self. In fact, it is the soul who says, I. The soul says, I am picking this thing up. A female would say, I am picking this thing up, using the female gender. In fact, souls are male. I, a soul, am a son of the Father. The soul says, Baba, I am claiming myself certainty from you. The Supreme Soul gives you souls your self-sovereignty. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap-Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. Essence for Dharana. In order surety. Now make the foundation of purity strong. Just you as the Father is the purifier, so become as pure as the Father. Stabilize yourself in your original religion of peace. Renounce body consciousness as much as possible and remain soul conscious. Practice remaining in dead silence. That is, practice becoming bodiless. Blessing. May you die alive and with the awareness of your original and eternal form. Become free from bondage and free others too. Just as the Father takes a body on loan and doesn't come into bondage, in the same way, you children who have taken the birth of dying alive become free from any bondages of your bodies, sanskars and natures. You can adopt sanskars as and when you want, just as the Father is free from bondage. So you too become free from bondage. First, stabilize yourself in the stage of the incorporeal world and then come down. Maintain the awareness of your original and eternal form. Perform actions while considering yourselves to be souls who have incarnated, and others will follow you. Slogan. To make the atmosphere powerful with your attitude of remembrance in real service of the mind. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.